Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So if you've seen the thumbnail and the description for this video, you already know what's in the box. This is a Christmas present that I bought myself 6 months ago because, hey, I deserved it. But let's open up the box and see what's in here. Okay, so I bought 3 of these 1930s Benjamin porcelain industrial barn style lampshades. I bought these from Old Industrial Lighting LLC. They've got a Facebook page and a website, oldindustriallighting.com. So these are going into my barn. They're going up above over here. I'll show you that in a minute to help light up the barn. I spoke with Dale, the owner at Old Industrial Lighting. He was extremely helpful. So I ordered the 3 lampshades. And on these lampshades, they grade them in order of condition. I got a B grade condition, and these things are nearly flawless. So this is a B grade. A grade obviously is the better grade. So the A grades must be absolutely perfect. This is a B grade, and the only thing really wrong are some little minor nicks and chips along the rim here. Other than that, they are in beautiful shape. The way these are set up, when they come with everything you need too. So they come with a brand new socket. Here's one already. Beautiful condition. Comes with that. Comes with all the fixtures that you need. Comes with the mounting hardware, and these are designed, and I'll explain why I'm telling you this. These are designed to mount to a ceiling, and then you have the threaded rod here that comes down, and then the wiring goes up through there. You wire it up. So that's how they're designed, to hang from the ceiling. But what I'm doing, and I'll show you this in a couple of minutes, is I am going to mount these on the side of the collar ties on the barn here. So that you can have to mount on the side this way. So what I need is a gooseneck that'll come out and up and face down. So I can hang like that. So I contacted the owner, Dale, at Old Industrial Lighting. He didn't have the goosenecks, but he led me to somebody that does. So I ordered the 3 goosenecks. I got those promptly from the other company. So now I'm just waiting to have these installed. So I've got 3 of these in beautiful shape. That's one. Here's the second one. Just again, a few little nicks along the rim here, but beautiful shape. That's the second one. And then the third one. Again, just perfect shape. It even comes with the, I forget what you call it, the little ties, the wiring ties. So it's got everything you need right in the box. Everything's here. So again, it's Old Industrial Lighting LLC, fantastic company, quick delivery on the products. Dale Bass is the owner. As I mentioned, I contacted him to figure out what to do about the mounting. He led me to the other company. Very responsive, great guy to deal with. So if you need anything like these lights, these lampshades, Old Industrial Lighting LLC is the place to go. They've got different styles, different manufacturers, different sizes. So check them out. Old Industrial Lighting LLC, and it's oldindustriallighting.com. So now I'll show you where these are going to be mounted or installed. But the reason I held off is I bought these back in December. And wanted to install them right away, but I needed that gooseneck. So I ordered the goosenecks, and by the time I got the goosenecks, which really only was a matter of a few days, but by the time I got them, it had gotten really cold. This is late December. It had gotten really cold here. And I had some flooding issues in my barn. We had gotten some rain, and it rained into the barn and turned the floor of the barn into a skating rink. So I didn't want the electrician coming and having to go, that's about 16 feet up. I didn't want him having to go get on a ladder, go 16 feet up on a sheet of ice and working in the cold. So now the ice is obviously melted, the weather is warmed up, so I've contacted the electrician to come back and install these. And the reason why I'm getting the electrician to do this, even though it's a simple job, is I don't go 16 feet up anymore on a ladder. I don't bounce like I used to. So I'll let the young guy do it. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you where these are going. Okay, so you see the fixtures here. There's one there, one over there. Two of the lampshades are being mounted there. The other one's being mounted over here where that bulb is. That's just temporary. That little fixture is temporary. That's going to come off. We're going to mount the third fixture there. So this is right dead center of the barn. And then those two are offset. So that should give me plenty of light throughout the barn. So I'm really happy to have these. I think it'll really dress up the barn. I restored this barn 2 years ago, but I'm still working on it between work, my work schedule, and other responsibilities. I don't have a whole lot of time to work on the barn, so I just keep chipping away at it. I still have quite a bit to do here, but it's all little stuff, really. So these will be installed up over there where I showed you probably sometime this week. So I'll show you what they look like once they're installed. So it's been a few days for me and a matter of seconds for you, but the lights are installed. Two up over here, one up over here. I'll swing this around. I'll show you what they look like, and then we'll go up into the loft and I'll show you from up there where you can actually see them better. Okay, they're kind of hard to see from down here. You got the reflection of the lights, the sun coming through the barn. Plus, you know, they're quite a ways up there, so they're really hard to see. They're dark. But here's the two on this side, and one over there. And it'll come around this way. Show you from over here. Might be a little, I don't know, maybe a little easier to see, a little better to see over here. But there they are. So we'll go up into the loft and look at them from up there. And then I'll come back when it's dark and show you how they light up the barn. Okay, so here's one fixture up close, and the other two right there, and view from here. I don't know about you, but I think they look really good. I am thrilled to have them. And here are the lights at night. It's lit up well. It's a whole lot better than it was in the past. I had one little floodlight, and that was about it. So I like it. So I'm real happy with the lights. Once again, I want to thank Dale at Old Industrial Lighting LLC. Here's the card. I'll actually probably post a photo of this, a still of this, so you can see it better. I'm not sure how it's going to show up. If it shows up okay, I'll leave it this way. But I'll zoom in a little bit. I don't know how it's going to pick up. But this is the place to go if you want some of these old industrial barn type lights. They look really nice. They really dress up the barn. So again, thanks Dale, Old Industrial Lighting LLC. You can find them on Facebook. And website is oldindustriallighting.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.